Hi there, it's Carl here from Cleaning How To, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to remove this dried in vomit stain from this memory foam mattress using peroxide. Now it'll work on any type of mattress. I just happen to have a memory foam mattress here in front of me, so it'll work for any type of mattress. Now we're going to get right into it, but you're going to need a few items to be able to do this: an iron, some hydrogen peroxide, rubber gloves, a towel and some form of cloth for applying the peroxide to the mattress. So don't worry if your mattress isn't a memory foam, this will work on any type of mattress. Now if you've just woken up and your bed has got vomit on it, get rid of the sheets, get a towel and absorb as much of the vomit out of the mattress as possible before doing this. Now this is actually dry, but the principle remains the same. So what I'm going to do is mix up about 3% food grade hydrogen peroxide to neutralize the vomit, getting rid of the vomit odor, but also getting rid of the vomit stain. So this will work on a dried in vomit or a fresh vomit. I've got my 3% peroxide solution. So what this is a food grade hydrogen peroxide at 3% with 1 or 2 drops of dish soap. Doesn't matter what dish soap, but just 1 or 2 drops of dish soap, just to give us the surfactant too. So I'm now going to get my cloth that I'm applying the peroxide with, and I don't want to put absolutely loads on this, just enough so that it's going to do its job. I don't need to absolutely drench it, and I can actually see that is starting to work pretty much straight away. So we're going to get this area a little bit wet with the peroxide, and then I'm going to use my steam iron with the towel because the heat will make the peroxide work quicker. Another application on this bit here, and again pretty much you can see that is starting to release and change colour. Now I'm going to get my towel, lay it across. Iron is on medium, and I'm simply going to use the heat to activate the peroxide. You can already see the peroxide coming through the towel, a little bit of steam coming out there. The vomit stains are completely gone from the mattress. There's a little bit of vague shadowing, but we've about 90-95% of them gone. Took me about 10 minutes to do. No odour from the mattress either because the peroxide has neutralised it. And pretty happy with the result for 10-15 minutes work.